In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most important development corridors in Hyderabad right now, the Future City region. Over the past few months, this area has been gaining a lot of attention because of major infrastructure projects, government planning, and large-scale development activity. The Telangana government has proposed a futuristic urban development vision called Bharat Future City. This vision is expected to transform this entire region into a modern, economic, and technology hub. In this video, we will look at the major developments happening in this region, including the 330 feet master plan road, the Skill University construction, and the overall future city development vision. Let's start with one of the biggest infrastructure projects in this area, the 330 feet master road. This is not a regular road. It is a massive master plan road designed to support the future expansion of the city. The road width is planned at approximately 330 feet. In the future, it will include multiple lanes, service roads, green buffers, and well-planned access for commercial and residential developments. Such wide master roads are usually built to support long-term urban growth and heavy traffic movement. Currently on the ground, we can already see earthwork activity happening. Construction machinery such as excavators, dump trucks, and road rollers are actively working on different sections of the road alignment. This road stretches across a long corridor connecting the Raveriala to Amangal region, which is part of the proposed future city expansion zone. Once this road is completed, the connectivity of this entire region will improve significantly. Better connectivity always plays a major role in accelerating real estate development and economic growth. Whenever a large infrastructure... Now let's discuss the bigger vision behind Bharat Future City. The idea of Future City is to create a planned urban ecosystem where infrastructure, technology, education, and economic activity grow together in a structured way. Instead of unplanned expansion, the government aims to develop this region with wide roads, planned layouts, institutional zones, commercial districts, and modern infrastructure. This type of development model has already been successful in many cities around the world. When a government plans a future city zone, it usually includes transportation corridors, technology parks, educational institutions, and industrial growth clusters. All these components together create a strong economic engine for the region. That is exactly what is being planned here. With the 330 feet master road, the Skill University, and other upcoming developments, this entire corridor is gradually transforming into a major growth zone. Another important point to understand is how infrastructure impacts real estate. In real estate, infrastructure development is the foundation of future value. Whenever a major road, university, or government project begins construction in an area, it signals the beginning of long-term growth. Initially, development may appear slow, but gradually the surrounding areas start attracting investors, developers, and businesses. Over time, residential layouts, gated communities, commercial buildings, and retail developments begin to appear. This is how new urban corridors develop. Right now, the Future City region is at the early infrastructure development stage. This means roads are being formed, institutions are being built, and the master planning vision is gradually taking shape. In the coming years, once these projects become operational, the entire landscape of this region could change significantly. This is why many developers and investors are closely watching this corridor. Large infrastructure combined with government-backed planning often creates strong growth potential over time. As we continue to see progress on the 330 feet master road and the Skill University construction, we will also start seeing more activity in surrounding areas. More projects, more infrastructure, and more development will gradually take shape. And that is exactly how cities expand. If you are interested in understanding the future growth zones of Hyderabad, this region is definitely worth watching in the coming years.